Hey guys, good morning. It is Pixel 6 Pro Day. So today, headed out to hang out with some friends, 100% on the battery, 9:19 in the morning. So really quickly, because I'm sure someone's going to ask, why does it say no service? Well, my Pixel won't allow me to use both lines at the same time, so I have to pick one. So Tigo I'm using right now. The other line, which is the eSIM, is Google Fi. So that's why it says no service on one side and Tigo on the other side. Okay guys, so I'm showing you some video right now from my Pixel 6 Pro. And this is natural colors. I haven't changed anything. Sorry that the windshield in the car isn't the cleanest, but it rained earlier. You know how it is in Medellin. Those of you who have been here, it'll rain off and on, and that's just the weather here. But anyway though, these are natural colors coming from the camera of the Pixel 6 Pro, the main lens. I think I have it at 2x zoom. And as I go into this tunnel, I wanted to do this so you can see what low light would look like. There's some pretty good lighting in here, but this is still like a low light scenario in the car. So this is what you can expect with low light with this camera. And then coming out of the tunnel, you'll see how it handles change in lighting. So it actually did pretty good. And as you can see the mountains and the clouds in the back, it has pretty good dynamic range. Now I'm going to show you guys here in a little bit the battery life after shooting these videos, so you can see for yourself how good this battery actually is. So after shooting for a little bit, and you can still see I got 93% left, and I took some photos at 4x zoom with the telephoto. Another photo right here at 4x. And then going to the restaurant, I took a shot of the sign, and then I did a wide angle to show you what's around because it's really close to the freeway. And then the rest of these photos, man, are just us going into the restaurant and showing you what the restaurant looks like on the inside. I have a different video I'm going to show you guys where I go more into detail of how we spent our day Monday, which was a holiday here. And again, I got invited to lunch. So I'm going to show you more of what we did later on in a different video. But for now, I really do like this phone, man. The camera quality from this phone, in my opinion, is the best. You have a lot of contrast detail here with that 50 megapixel main camera. And again, I'm showing you the battery life here after using it for a while with 52%. Later on in the car, after we came back from the mall, is now at 42%. And I'm using the Bluetooth feature here in the car to play music. So not only taking videos and photos, but also doing Bluetooth. And then I ended the day right here at 8:18 at night. So a little more, about 11 hours, 26%. And it said I still had over 3 hours left on the battery. So almost 4 hours left, excuse me, on the battery. All right, guys, in conclusion, I would just say this. This is still a great flagship, even though it's a year old. That would be a hell of a deal for a lot of people out there. Pixel just dropped the Pixel 7 Pro, the Pixel 7a, right, for $499. You could actually find this device, the Pixel 6 Pro, on Amazon, eBay, or Swappa for under 500 bucks, okay? And with that, you get the triple camera setup. You get a 120 hertz refresh rate, a 6.7 AMOLED display with a 5,000 milliamp battery that's IP68 water and dust resistant. You cannot find a better deal, in my opinion, on a flagship phone that's only a year old that you can get for under 500 bucks. That's the Pixel 6 Pro, all right? It did have its problems in the beginning. For those of you that's gonna do your research, until it got that patch from January, it had issues. But once it got that software update in January, this thing has been running smooth. It's been running great. It is up to date. I'm on Android 13. All right, guys, so that's it. I appreciate everybody watching as always. And until the next time, guys, I'm out. Peace. Enjoy the rest of your day.